Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to keep your vacuum in top shape. First, let's gather the tools you will need for this maintenance routine. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. Having these tools ready will make the process much smoother. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD01. Safety is our priority, so ensure it's completely powered down before proceeding. Now, remove the main dustbin by pressing the button located on the side. Once removed, empty the contents into your trash bin. Next, let's focus on cleaning the dustbin. Rinse it under warm water to remove any remaining debris. Avoid using any harsh chemicals or detergents, as they can damage the components. Allow it to dry completely before reattaching it. Now, we'll turn our attention to the filter. The Dyson HD01 has a washable filter that needs to be cleaned approximately once a month. Locate the filter at the top of the vacuum, twist it counterclockwise, and pull it out. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Again, no detergents should be used here. Allow the filter to dry for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. While we're here, let's check the brush bar. Use your flathead screwdriver to remove any hair or debris wrapped around the brush. This can significantly affect the vacuum's suction power. If you notice any wear or damage, it might be time to replace the brush bar. If you're not comfortable performing these steps yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our trained technicians can assess your vacuum and recommend the best course of action. Next, let's inspect the vacuum hose. Detach it and check for any blockages. A clogged hose can reduce suction and affect performance. Use the soft brush to gently clear any debris stuck inside. Also, make sure to check the hose for any tears or damage that might need attention. Now, reassemble your vacuum by putting the brush bar, filter, and dustbin back in their respective places. Make sure everything clicks securely into position. It's also an excellent opportunity to wipe down the exterior of the vacuum with your microfiber cloth to keep it looking new. Before we finish, ensure your vacuum is performing optimally. Plug it back in and run it briefly to check that everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or decreased performance, it might be time to seek professional help. For those who prefer convenience, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just easy, hassle-free service. You can also receive a quote before any repair work is done, ensuring you know what to expect. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your Dyson HD01 and maintain its powerful suction. Thank you for watching, and ensure to follow these steps regularly to keep your vacuum running like new. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.